Amazon kitchen finds I don't regret buying. This egg organizer is amazing because I hate fussing with egg cartons and it automatically rolls down. This dispenser filters out my water and it also comes out cold. I love this little mug and vase. It's just aesthetic for me. It gives me so much joy. And this rolling drying rack doesn't take up space, which is awesome. And this bamboo utensil organizer, literally, you have to have it. And I also love these chopsticks and Asian spoons from Amazon.
Amazon kitchen gadgets that make my life so much easier. These scissor pizza cutters allow you to cut the perfect slice of pizza and serve it all in one. This silicone utensil holder allows you to hold multiple utensils at a time, keeping your counters clean. And these reusable silicone lids, they come in multiple sizes. They are heat resistant, easy to clean, make a perfect splatter guard for the microwave. It peels off easily, but it also suctions to the rim, creating an airtight seal, making it perfect for storing leftovers in the fridge.
Random Amazon finds to just slap. This gadget lets you easily crush garlic with one hand and has a built-in wiper blade to remove the excess. It also comes with a cleaning tool to clear the trapped garlic from the chamber, which stores neatly inside the handle. And this elegant 3-tier fruit basket is easy to assemble. You can use the bowls as separate serving pieces. It maximizes space on your counters and it can take your kitchen.
Amazon kitchen finds. I don't know how we haven't found a better solution for bacon packaging, so I found this bacon storage container that goes in the fridge and holds a pound of bacon. It has a removable drain plate and will keep out moisture so your bacon can stay fresh. The container is dishwasher and freezer safe as well and comes with its own serving tongs. I love that I don't have to deal with a greasy mess like before and can easily grab as much bacon as I want without getting my hands dirty.
5 kitchen gadgets that'll make your life better. If you're sick of your paper towels taking up counter space and getting in your way, add these stick-on paper towel holders under your cabinet or inside your cabinet door. Roll out this dish drying rack to set your dishes and vegetables on to drip directly into the sink. I was sick of the disorganization of my appliance cords in my cabinet, so I got these cord wrappers for a quick way to organize those pesky cords and move appliances quickly. Plus, great for computers and other outdoor appliances. Add these over-the-door baskets for dirty dish rags and hanging your wet cleaning gloves so they aren't all over your countertops. Lastly, these oil dispenser tops easily transform any kitchen bottle into a pour bottle for easy measuring.